Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Forex Traders. I'm here with the trade forecast on EUR/USD, stop loss of 7 pips and target of 240 pips right here, and the risk reward ratio of 1 to 40 risk reward ratio. So stick around and watch the rest of the video so I to find out what I'm looking for and everything else. Alright, so let's go to the higher time frame so that you're able to see what I'm looking at right now on EUR/USD. So right now we are on the daily time frame, and what can you see right here? So personally, what I can see here is that on the daily time frame we can see a consolidation right here. Let me just show you, let me just point out what I'm looking at right now. So you can see that from here to here the market has been stuck in this little box right here. The market has just been pushing to the downside, to the upside, and respecting this box right here. That means the market on the higher time frame has been consolidating, and for some time you've actually seen this happening for quite a while right here. So choosing the right broker to be able to trade with is one of the most crucial, important steps you're going to take as a trader. And that's the reason why we've partnered with Hot Forex Market. These guys have been in the industry for over 14 years and offer one of the best services in the market. These guys offer 1 to 2,000 leverage, ultra fast execution, quick deposit, and quick withdrawals, and swap free accounts. These guys have over 500 tradable assets, and they are multi regulated in different countries, guys. This is one of the best brokers you can trade with in the market. All right. And listen, on top of you trading with this particular broker, we're going to offer you free signals for 3 months as long as you are able to trade and deposit with this particular broker right here. You guys, we are proud to partner with Hot Forex Market. And now let's get back to the video. So it has been stuck into this particular box right here, which is what we call a consolidation. This is on the daily time frame, right? So that is extremely important to note. Now let's zoom in right here. So where is the market currently? We can see that the market is currently approaching this recent high, which was created some time back right here. You can see that this was created, when was that? I think on 17th of July. This when this high was created right here. So a few things can happen right here, and here is what I'm anticipating right here. So I see this high holding right here, and this is what I'm going to target right here. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, and this is what I'm going to do. So I'm waiting for the market to push into this area. So this is a rally based drop supply zone which broke structure to the downside, which is extremely important, right? And then we see that the market consolidating right here to the downside, creating a lot of liquidity. And this is what happened. The market took out this liquidity during the NFP last week, and now the market is approaching this area here. So the question is that, is this zone right here going to hold or not? You and I don't know. That's the reason why we have to wait and see what the market is going to do as it comes to this particular area. So for me, that's what I'm going to wait for. So what you do is that now you go to the lower time frame to find your order block. So I went all the way to the lower time frame. Let me just show you. I went all the way to the lower time frame just for me to be able to find my order block. And then once I found my order block, I was able to mark it out so you can see it properly here. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. So it's really important that you do your multiple time frame analysis so that you come up with your order block properly, so that you mark it properly. And that is extremely important, because if you do that the wrong way, you might not get the right order block, and the market can just fake you out and then go in your direction, which sucks. And I've experienced that, and that's not a nice feeling, huh? That's not a nice feeling. So we're trying to go to the lower time frame so that we can actually appreciate the order block that caused the break of structure. So let's try to zoom in right here if we can actually find it. So yeah, you can actually see it right here. So the last candle is this one right here. So the last bullish candle before the bearish move that broke structure is that candle right there. And that's how I was able to mark that. And after marking it, then you just use this rectangular shape then you just take it to the right side so that you're able to actually put uh, the risk reward ratio to here, and that's how we have our tool right there, and it's showing us that the market is actually approaching this area. So a few things can happen here. The market can hold, or the market might not hold, and that's the reason why I don't use pending orders. So what I'm waiting for right now is for to wait to see how the market is going to open. Today is Sunday, so we'll see how the market is going to approach this level. I know for sure that we are going to have some Asian liquidity which is going to be created right here. So our job is to wait for the Asian session to form, and then to see how the Asian session is going to be reacted. If the market comes here and takes out the Asian session right here and then comes into my zone, I'll be able to execute right here. Otherwise, because of what we have right here, the market left a lot of a lot of imbalance right here. The market usually needs to recollect itself, so we're going to expect the market to come back to this level right here. But like I've shown you on the higher time frame, the market on the higher time frame has been stuck in that particular box for a long time. So we're just going to wait and see how the market is going to react from this level right here. So if this market breaks this high right here, then we're going to see that the market is going to, this trend is going to continue to go to the upside. It means that we're not going to expect any buys from here. So if this is taken out, then the market might also take out this one and also this one right here. So we don't know what's going to happen. So our job is to just wait and see how the market reacts from this level right here. And if the market reacts properly and we find our entry signals, we'll be able to actually execute this trade, and the signal is going to be shared in our private community. So that's my thought on EURUSD, and that's what I think is going to happen. Of course, it's not guaranteed that that is going to happen. So we're just going to observe the market and see what the market gives us. If it meets our criteria, we execute. If it doesn't, well, we won't do anything. So you can see that our target is like 270 pips right here. So I have to change this. So our target is 270. So 270, and then I'm just going to make my stop loss about 7 pips right here. So let's change that. So right there, my stop loss was 5 pips. Let me just take it up another notch right here, so that we can just have a little bit of some space right there. So you can see that my stop loss is about 7 pips right there, about 7 pips right there, and my risk reward ratio is about 1 to 40 risk reward ratio, which is pretty amazing. So let's see how the market is going to respond from this level right here. If it doesn't, well and good, we're going to look for other setups, but for now, this is what we have, and that's my perspective on EURUSD. All right, so you guys, I hope you found value and everything. So make sure remember to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and remember guys, if you'd like to trade with our preferred broker, which is Hot Forex Market, the links are down in the description. And remember that if you trade using the link down in the description, you can actually get free signals as long as you use the link down in the description. And if you want signals only, it's $50. And if you want our M&F mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals, it only gets you $250, and then you'll be able to have access to our community lifetime. All right, you guys, until next time, goodbye.